Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at compositions of functions. And if you've seen my video before on compositions of functions, we went ahead and we did f of g to some number and found out what the actual number was. Here we are doing f of g to the xth power. So we are going to end with an equation. Whereas before we ended with an actual value. So let's go ahead and let's look at what this is saying. Remember, this is saying f of g of x. This is an of symbol. F of g of x. So what that means is f is a function of, and then inside that function is g of x. So g of x is plugged into the function f of x. What that means essentially is I can write my function f, which is 3x plus 1. But the difference now is, remember, when x is my input here, it makes sense to write x in as my variable. But now my input is this g of x. So I need to plug in g of x in for this x. So let's do that right now. Just like that. So now let's write this out. I have 3 times g of x. Well, what is g of x? I see right here that g of x is equal to x minus 2. So instead of writing g of x, I'm just going to write x minus 2. And then that's all still plus 1. Now we can simplify using distribution. And so I'm going to distribute the 3 to both terms, and I get 3x minus 6 plus 1, which is ultimately equal to 3x minus 5. And that's my answer. If you want to see an example that's similar to this, no different in method, but it's a little bit more difficult to sharpen your skills, go ahead and click on the video that's going to pop on the screen right now. And if you like these videos and want to know when they come out, go ahead and click on the subscribe button I'll put on the screen right now as well. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.